So let's discuss the another question, and this question is based on recursion tree. The question says that if we have this recurrence relation, then what will be the depth of this tree that will be generated, or depth of the recursion tree that will be generated with the help of this recurrence relation. Okay, so recursion tree, we assume in that this is the complete cost at root level that is further dividing. So if you will start the process, you can say as the cost is Cn that can be divided into this part, means the next level the size will be n by 3 and another will be C of 2n by 3, right? Now if you will go further, then you can see if you are dividing this one, then C n by 3 again, it will be n by 9, okay, and 2n by 3. So it will be C 2n by 9. Okay. Similarly, if you will go to this level, so this is n by 3, it means C 2n by 9. Okay, and this will be n by 2n by 3. So this will be C 4n by 9. Okay, in this way your tree will grow. Okay, so after looking at this one, you can check what will be the longest path in this tree, because we have to reach up to when the size, because at every level we are reducing this size. Here initially the size was n, then we reduced to n by 3. Here we reduced to 2n by 3, n by 3, 2n by 3, right? Every level we are reducing the size, and our objective is to reach up to that each level should reach up to T1. So now the longest path will be which is reducing slowly. That will be the longest path, right? So here you can check it is 1 by 3rd the sub problem size. Here 2 by 3 of the original size. So it means that this will be the longest path because it is reducing slowly here. Okay, so if you are talking about the longest path will be 2 by 3n, then this is 2 by 3n, right? Next level 2 by 3 is square n, it means 4 by 9, then 2 by 3 cube n, okay, and we will reach up to 1. This will be the longest path in this one. Okay, so if I am saying suppose the depth of your tree is k, I am saying assume depth of tree is suppose k. So depth means at that level the cost of this one will be 1. So what is the cost at kth level? This is the 3rd level. One more level, power 4, 5. So kth level the value of sub problem will be 2 by 3 k n, and it will be equal to 1. Again, what I am saying that the longest path in this tree, because all the paths will have the different length or the depth, it will reduce quickly. Then this one, similarly this one, and this will reduce slowly, so it will go up to the longest path. So I am saying that after at the kth depth, this sub problem size will become as 1. So that will be my last level. Clear? So here you can say that 2 by 3 kn will be equal to 1, right? So now if you can say it as n equals to 3 by 2 power k, take the logarithmic both the side, log n will be log 3 by 2 k. So log n equals to k log 3 by 2, and the k, it means the depth will be log n divided by log 3 by 2. Okay, with the logarithmic property it will go into base, so you can say the depth will be log 3 by 2 n. That will be the depth of this tree. Thank you.